Top 5 Amazing Health Benefits of Tuna Fish. Some of the many health benefits of tuna fish include its ability to reduce cardiovascular conditions, stimulate growth and development, lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, help in weight loss efforts, boost the immune system, increase energy, maintain the health of the skin, increase red blood cells count, prevent cancer, protect against various kidney diseases, reduce channel inflammation, and inhibit cell membrane damage.
Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.
Energy levels. The B complex of vitamins has been connected with a wide range of different health aspects, but as a whole, they are mainly involved in improving the metabolism and increasing the efficiency of our organ system, while also protecting the skin and increasing energy. By consuming tuna fish regularly, you can ensure that you are active, energetic, and healthy. Blood circulation. Many people turn to tuna fish because it is so beneficial for the heart, but people often forget that it is also very good for the blood. Tuna fish is a rich source of iron, along with the B complex vitamins that play an important role in red blood cells formation. Without iron, people become anemic and their blood is unable to properly oxygenate the vital organ system and that need fresh oxygen to function efficiently. Cancer prevention. Tuna fish has very good antioxidant properties thanks to selenium and various other nutritional components, making it effective at preventing some types of cancer. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals before they can cause mutation in healthy cells, thereby turning them into cancer cells. Kidney disease. Potassium and sodium content in tuna is well balanced, which help to manage the fluid balance in the body. When your body properly maintains the fluid balance between salts and potassium, then the kidney can function properly and without undue stress, thereby lowering the chance of developing a serious kidney condition. Reducing inflammation. By generally reducing the inflammation of the body thanks to healthy cholesterol and anti-inflammatory vitamins and minerals, tuna fish can keep the body's overall stress level down. A reduction in inflammation across the body helps all of the organ system by not diverting resources away from essential functions. It also helps to prevent against inflammatory diseases like arthritis and gout, both of which afflicts millions of people around the world. Heart health. Perhaps the most common health benefits that is attributed to tuna fish is its significant impact on heart health. In terms of reducing coronary heart disease, tuna fish has very high level of omega-3 fatty acid, which help to reduce omega-6 fatty acid and cholesterol in the arteries and blood vessels. Blood pressure. A combination of omega-3 fatty acids, which are anti-inflammatory and can help reduce blood pressure, along with potassium, a vasodilator, make tuna fish very good for lowering blood pressure. Reducing hypertension can significantly boost your health by lowering the strain on your cardiovascular system. This will help prevent heart attacks and strokes, as well as conditions like atherosclerosis, which can lead to a number of health complications. Growth and development. When people give up red meat or become vegetarian, one of the most dangerous dietary challenges is acquiring an appropriate amount of protein. Luckily for pescatarians, tuna fish is packed with protein. Proteins are the building block of our body, and with proper amount of protein in our system, we are guaranteed to have increased growth and development, faster recovery from wounds and illness, improved muscle tone and growth, and overall metabolic efficiency. Weight loss and obesity. Obesity is one of the most troubling conditions that is on the rise in recent decades. Thankfully, tuna fish is low in calories and fat, yet loaded with the beneficial nutrients and protein. Furthermore, the omega-3 fatty acid found in tuna stimulate a hormone called leptin, which balances the body's food intake with the internal desire to eat more. Boosted immune system. Tuna contains good amount of vitamin C, zinc, and manganese, all of which are considered antioxidant in nature. Antioxidants are one of the body's defense mechanism against free radicals, the harmful byproducts of cellular metabolism that can cause cancer and other chronic diseases. However, the real champion of tuna's immune system boosting potential is selenium.
Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.